VirtualBox guest OS accessing local server on host OS. On my Ubuntu host I have my local web server. I installed VirtualBox and Debian as a guest. I would like the Debian guest to be able to hit my web server running on my Ubuntu host. For example, I just type http://localhost:8080 in the browser under Debian. How can this be done?
The easiest way of allow uninterrupted access to your VirtualBox guest machine is to set the network device as a bridge to your ETH0 onto your LAN. The guest machine will grab a LAN IP via DHCP from your router.
Enable one network adapter. Set it to NAT and start your machine. Don't need to configure anything. On guest machine's browser type this URL, which will show you the same content as localhost in the host OS. 10.0.2.2 is the default gateway for NAT connections, and your guest OS IP is 10.0.2.15. Of course, you can set up host only or an internal network, which will allow you another advanced configurations. I recommend to stay with NAT. Enjoy.
What I found fixed the issue for me was making sure that the Windows Virtual Host Only adapter was set to the .1 address for the IP range, so my VirtualBox Host Only adapter was 192.168.58.20, but the IP for the Windows adapter is 192.168.58.1.
Also, a point to make when using the IP address of 10.0.2.2 is if you're using MAMP, for instance, at the port number 8888, so the full address reads http://10.0.2.2 8888.